What time of year are you supposed to clean out around your crepe myrtle trees, and will that help them bloom? And this is Beverly from Dixon, Tennessee. So cleaning up around those crepe myrtle trees, and will this help them to bloom? So I guess the question is cleaning up. I mean, what do we mean by that?
Leaves,
grass, suckers,
pruning.
Pruning?
Yeah.
You said cleaning up.
I'd say late winter. And as far as leaves, if you crepe myrtles don't have a lot of diseases, but if you do have some diseases on crepe myrtle, like what, powdery mildew or something like that,
they do get cercospora leaf
spots. You clean that up when it happens.
Right.
You know, get them off there and don't leave them laying on the ground.
Right.
And so kind of clean up. And when you're mowing under them and all that, and you're mulching and you know you're doing that every time you mow. But as far as pruning and all that, the best time is late winter.
Yeah, late winter.
Just like most things, that's when it's the least stress on the plant in late winter.
Would you mulch them in the fall after they're fairly dormant?
Never mulched mine. Mulching does a really good job of preventing weeds and that kind of competition, and also conserving moisture. But it also holds the ground heat down. So if you're at all worried about freeze damage, then you don't particularly want to mulch because you need to pull that mulch away. And
what about suckers? I mean,
yeah,
do they sucker in the spring and fall, or do you cut a sucker just every time it suckers?
Every time it suckers, every time one shoots up, I'll go out there and knock mine out. Yeah. Just cut it right on off. And then of course you're going to be doing pruning, so pruning is going to help with blooms.
That's right.
Right.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
So there you have it.
Of course, crepe myrtle, they seem like they bloom whether you prune them or not.
Yeah, they will.
Some of them that are slaughtered and they come out in beautiful blooms, and some of them don't prune at all and they still have pretty blooms.
They sure do.
It's they're pretty tough plant.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.